Hi Magie's gang, my name is Magie for short. If you're new here, you are welcome to Cooking with Magie. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to Cooking with Magie. Today I'm going to be making my crowd-pleasing chin chin, so definitely stay tuned to see how it goes. I just want to state from the beginning that this is not a tutorial, but if you do want a tutorial, please click on the subscribe button below. I will do my best to make a detailed tutorial if you guys get me to 1,000 subscribers and get this video to 100,000 views. So I'm just going to be mixing the water into the dough mixture by hand to show you that you can actually do this by hand. Later on in the video, you would see where I would actually use my Cuisinart mixer to mix in the water to make the dough form properly. So you do not necessarily need a mixer to do this. You can do it by hand. So these are the first ones that I did. They're a little bit big. I think I like this size better, so we're just going to continue with this one. What size do you guys like better? Let me know in the comment section. This is the part where I use the mixer to mix the dough to form like the real dough that I was doing with my hand earlier. I realized that the dough cutter was not going to like ruin my table, so I decided to keep the cutting board on the side and just go ahead to cut the dough directly on the table, because the cutting board is not that wide, so it was actually slowing me down. So after several hours of hard work, these are my end products. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and join the Cooking with Magie family.